On the wall, please tell my Prince Charming I'm waiting for a small. Bakit pa ba sikot-sikot para ba pinapakikot-ikot talaga? Mag-isa na ba talaga ang next move mo? Gusto ko lang naman malaman ano ba ang katotohanan? Oh, better say it now, it's not too late. I'm ready to be called a princess. Hey.